Our first special right triangle is the 45, 45, 90. This comes from a square being split into two triangles. It's also known as the isosceles right triangle, where the two legs are congruent, being our x, and the hypotenuse is the length of our legs times root 2. Let's see some examples. In this first example, our legs are given 6 and 6. So multiply 6 by root 2. Our hypotenuse is just 6 root 2. In this example, our hypotenuse is 13 root 2, so we need to divide to find our legs, making our legs each 13. In this example, our legs are given as 7 root 2, so we need to multiply by root 2 to find our hypotenuse. Root 2 times root 2 is just 2, so our hypotenuse is 14. And in this last example, our hypotenuse is 24. We need to divide root 2 out to find our leg. 24 divided by root 2. You have to rationalize the denominator here to get 12 root 2. So our legs are both 12 root 2. The two problems on the top are the easiest because it's easy to follow the form and the pattern matches the original. But the two problems on the bottom can be a little more challenging because you either have to multiply a root that's already there or you have to divide the root out when you can't see it. So it just requires a little more work. But all four of these follow the same pattern for 45, 45, 90.